Hey guys, welcome to the second session of our fast bowling series. In this session, we would be guiding you about the mobility and muscle activations. Mobility is nothing but the ability of your joint to move actively through a range of motion. There are some set of postures you need to know how the mobility exercises are to be performed. So let's have a look at it. Foam rolling for lower body. Foam rolling is nothing but a way in which you can increase flexibility, release muscle knots, reduce soreness by yourself. So the first part we would be releasing is the glute maximus. Start from the midsection till the end of your glute and repeat it for 5 times each. Same way, do it for the glute medius by turning on your side and rolling in to and fro pattern for 5 times on each side. The second part to release are the hamstring. Here we would be doing a figure of 4 pattern roll, which allows you to release the hamstring more effectively by crossing over the adjacent legs. Roll it for 5 times each on both sides. The third part to release are the quadriceps. Here we go in a plank position and roll your quads on the roller in a to and fro pattern. Do it on each leg for about 5 times. The fourth part to release is the adductor muscle. Here we have to place the roller parallel to our body and place the inner thigh on the roller and follow the side to center pattern for about 5 times each side. The fifth part to release is the IT band. Here we have to go in a side plank position and place the IT band on the roller with both the legs placed on each other. Roll it back and forward starting from the mid thigh to start off your kneecap. The sixth part to release is the calf. Here we have to cross over our legs and place the calf on the roller and follow the to and fro pattern by lifting your body by your hands placed close to your body. The seventh part to release is the plantar fasciatic release. This is the most important release that should be done by any fast bowler. In this release, we use a hard ball which could roll easily on any surface. Here I have taken a golf ball. Here we have to roll the lower part of your foot by raising your thumb in the upward direction. This helps in releasing the foot muscles, tight hamstrings, and even helps in attaining a good ankle flexion. Upper body foam rolling. The first part to release is the back muscles. Start from the midsection of your spine and roll up till end of your neckline by keeping your hands folded either on your chest or behind your head to give a good support. The second is the thoracic opener. By keeping the roller on every facet, that is the subdivision of your spine, starting from the mid-back region, try and put your body backwards to get a stretchy feel in your diaphragm region near your chest cavity. Perform this on every facet, that is the spine subdivisions, starting from mid-back to upper back till your scapulas. So hope you guys enjoyed our today's video, in which we showed you how effectively you can use the foam roller for the mobility exercises. In the next video, we will be showing you how would you perform the upper and the lower body mobility exercises. Till that time, keep watching us and do like, share and subscribe us on all the social media platforms. See you guys.